Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl MJ, and today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a pencil skirt. A pencil skirt, guys, you can go with it to funerals, you can wear it to work, you can go anywhere you want to. You can make it a smart casual, formal, anyhow you want to dress it, you can be able to dress it. It's a must-have skirt that each and every girl should have. So stick with me. I'm going to take you through each and every step, how to measure yourself, how to cut a pattern for yourself. So if you haven't subscribed to my channels, please do so. And if you have any comment queries, I would like you to comment down below. So guys, basically we're going to need 3 measurements for our skirt. The first measurements that you're going to take, you're going to measure your waist. And remember, when you measure your waist, you're going to take in from the smallest part of your waist. And after that, you measure your hip. You're going to take your measurements of your hips. And after the measurements of your hips, you're going to take the measurement of the length of your skirt, where you need your skirt to end. That's where you're going to write those 3 type of measurements, and make sure that you take them accurately. And when you measure, don't forget that your material or your paper, it has to be folded onto both sides. But the back part, we're going to add 2 centimeter allowances for the zip part, because remember our skirt needs to have a zip. Unless you're gonna put a what do you call this, a zip, then you can't add that 2 centimeter. But if we put a zip, you have to add 2 centimeter allowances. So let's just go straight to our cuttings. So guys, these are the requirements that you're going to use when you do your pencil skirt. You're going to need a ruler. This is a curvy ruler for your curves, so that you draw your curves with this ruler. And this ruler is a triangle that we use it for doing the straight line. When you cut the measurements from your waist to your hips, you're going to be needing this one. You need your paper where you're going to be able to draft, so that when you go to your material, you just can translate from what is there to the material. You need a measuring tape. With the measuring tape, you're going to be able to take the accurate measurements of yourself. And you need a marker pen. With the marker pen is the one that you're going to write those centimeters, 10, 9, 8, 7. And I also recommended you to have a pencil and a rubber, so that when you're drafting on your paper, sometimes you'll be able to make mistakes, or maybe you're going to decrease or increase on your measurements. You can simply rub before you go with a marker pen. And the most important thing, you're also gonna need a scissor. But bear in mind that the scissor that you're going to cut the paper with, never ever use it for your material. And the scissor that you're going to cut the material, don't use it for the paper, because if you use it for the paper, it won't cut your material again. So guys, the measurement that we're going to use a size 28. So remember, when you cut your material or your paper, it has to be on fold. So you're going to divide 28 by 4. And when you divide 28 by 4, it's going to give you 7. So that 7, you're going to add 1 centimeter, because you need a dot on the skirt. If you see this, our skirts, they have dot on both sides. So it's 27. It's 7 plus 1, which is 8. So you go back to your paper and mark 8. You mark 8 on your paper, and then as well you go on your waist measurement, on your hip. The hip line that we're using is gonna be 40. So 40 divided by 4 is going to be 10. So you go on your line, it's 10 centimeter down, 10 inches, I'm sorry, not centimeter, and then it's 10 by 10. You see, you're going to mark 10 here. Let's mark it here. So after that, the length that we're going to use 23. That's gonna be our length for today, because the skirt that we are doing, the person wants it to be 23. So on your paper, you're going to mark 23 down here. You see where I put the mark is 23. And after that, you're going to join all those dotted that you made. so that at least you have the horizontal ones of them. You come here and then you mark like these till here, and that one you can't mark because it's already the length. After you mark that, you're going to take your curvy ruler, and from your 8 going to from your waist to your hip, you're going to add that measurement. You add it together, so it's going to be like this with your curvy ruler. It's going to be something like this. You see, this is how it has to go. And then from here you're going to take straight down. So when you use a curvy ruler, it also gives you the straight line for the pencil. But if you don't have a curvy ruler, you're using the straight line, remember always at the end here you're going to mark, take in 2 centimeters from the 10, which is going to be 8, and then you curve it like this. Is going to be curved if you don't have a curvy ruler. But if you have a curvy ruler, it gives you that curves straight. And after that, you're gonna come to your waist. On your waist, you're going to find the midpoint of that waist of 8, which is 4 centimeters. So 4 inches, I mean. You're going to come to your 4 inches here and draw a line straight from that 4 inches. 10 centimeters down. Always remember you have to end at 10 centimeters. And then from there you take half an inch from both sides like this. You measure and half an inch here. You also measure half an inch on the other side, and you join them together with this. So this is gonna be your dart, where you're going to make a dart for your skirt. As you can see, your skirt is already having its own shape. And remember the 2 centimeters at the back, it's only at the back part. You see the front doesn't have, it's a zipper allowances. You only put the zip at the back. And when you come to the front part, not the back part, you come here at the end and mark 1 centimeter down or 1 inch. You come here and write 1 inch down like this. You measure 1 inch down, and that 1 inch that you write, you take your curvy ruler from the top where your 8 ends, you connect like this to that. The reason for this curvy line here on top is that when you do a dress or a trouser, our waists are not the same. They are not equal. The back is not equal to the front. So that's why the curvy is in the front, but at the back you don't curve it, you leave it straight like that, so that your skirt can sit nicely, or if it's a trouser, it can sit nicely. So this is basically it. This is the measurement that you're going to be using, and this is the drawing. So after that, you can cut it out like this. And guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Like and share our video. And yeah guys, this is it. This is your front part of your skirt. If you can see, remember you cut this on fold, you don't cut one. And this is the back part as well of your skirt. This is the back part. You also cut it on fold, and remember to add the zip allowances. But when it's like this, it's done. You add it on fold, but this one, it's on fold, but you have to cut it in the middle so that you can be able to fit your zip at the back. And the front is this one. So this is it guys. hope you're gonna show me what you did on your skirts. I would love to see your pencil skirts, and I know they're gonna be looking so amazing. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learn a lot from it, and like I said, if you have anything that you want to share or add down, please do so on the comment down below, and please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.